Are you struggling to amplify your muscular strength and mass after staying stagnant on your initial gains? Many athletes and metal pumpers struggle with the challenge of moving past their initial gains to continue boosting muscle mass. Here's a simple solution. Bring home one of the best Smith machines in 2022 and regulate your workout sessions. We have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Marcy presents a spectacularly well-rounded home gym system constructed with heavy-duty steel with a sleek, powder-coated finish. The durability and sturdiness of this Smith machine system is by far its most impressive feature. Built with aircraft cables, this system is designed to withstand intense metal pumping and heavy weights. The versatility is another strikingly impressive feature. The machine comes with multifunctional press arms, supporting a variety of chest and arm exercises. Suppose you want to build your biceps, triceps, and pectoral muscles alongside toning up targeted muscle groups in your legs. In that case, this Smith machine supports a full-body workout to sculpt your muscles and amplify your goals. The Fitness Reality Store, a prominent manufacturer, presents seasoned weightlifters with the Power Cage, an all-in-one system for your home gym. As the name implies, this robust cage of a machine is constructed with heavy-duty steel and a weight capacity of a whopping 800 pounds. We're quite impressed by the spaciousness and ease of accessibility offered by this machine, allowing you to move around freely. The chrome dual-mounted safety bars and ball-bearing pulley systems pack up this Smith machine with enhanced functionality and durability. Features like the Olympic safety bars, chrome guide rail, and nylon-coated cable allow superior comfort. It's quite easy to shift and adjust the long bars and find the proper position to maximize the comfort and impact of your workouts. This versatile Smith machine by XMark is hands down the only piece of equipment you need to power your workouts at home. It supports a variety of workouts and exercises targeting various muscle groups, making it an excellent choice for beginners. The best part is, everyone in the family can use it, from the young ones to adults and seniors. It features dual weight stacks with a capacity of 200 pounds, and the mainframe is constructed with heavy-duty, commercial-grade steel. The XMark functional trainer comes equipped with many interchangeable accessories to transform your training routine with high-intensity workout variations. XMark has been touting this Smith machine for its superior adaptability and functionalities that support high-impact isolateral-based movements. Here's the perfect Smith machine to enjoy all your workouts at home, from deadlifts and squats to bench presses and targeted muscle training. Merax enjoys industry esteem for quality construction and innovative designs. Their fitness power rack can considerably boost your weight training. Why are we recommending this Smith machine? It delivers robust safety, maximum versatility, smooth operation, and impressive adjustability. We love the squat rack system because it supports more than 24 different workouts to strengthen your core and build muscular strength. The spacious cage allows you to get comfortable and achieve the perfect posture while performing squats. The FTX functional trainer packs a simplistic design with multiple innovative features that make it a powerhouse performer. The construction is impressively inventive, supported by dual weight stacks and isolated pulley movements. We're impressed by the freedom of movement and ease of accessibility offered by this machine, for unrestricted movement is crucial for a rewarding metal pumping session. This Smith machine supports 30 swivel pulley movements, allowing you to position and extend your body in any given direction. It comes with various accessories, including a curl bar, deluxe D handles, dip belt, and triceps rope, among others. What's more, the manufacturer backs the construction of the frame and components with a lifetime warranty.